also focus heavily in the finance and the fintech industry. My understanding is the most important use cases in fintech for you from an AI perspective are around fraud detection and regulation of fraud, controlling fraud for various banks around the world. What are the core problems that you're solving from your perspective?
So our main focus in fintech is kind of optimize the flow of information in some sense, right? Now, fintech is a lot manual based controls because it pertains to money being a factor, right?
Yeah.
So there's a lot of controls in terms of manual intervention, manual reviews, manual understanding of documents and things like that.
Compliance.
Fraud example is one other thing, right?
Yeah.
So which we are trying to automate to some extent, or rather make it autonomous to a larger extent. Now, when we do that, so let's say onboarding, for instance, you go apply for a loan somewhere, you have to give 10 documents with your financial history, your KYC, your references from other banks and things like that. If you're a company, it's much more like you have to give your like balance sheets, your
GST
MOA,
details,
AUA, and things like that, right? So, and a lot of human effort goes into just looking at these documents and ensuring that it is clear, and they're not actually going through all the content. They're probably looking at few data points just to see if things are fine, right? So, which is completely doable with GPTs now. So that is something which we have done. Which we have kind of completely automated the way you can extract information from any kind of document that is presented, cross-verify it, do validations on it, do fact checks on it using provided APIs behind the scene, connecting to government agencies, getting information from there. So that entire cycle we have done, right? Once you have made it automated, the biggest challenge now is fraud, right? If somebody comes in and try to game the system.
Right.
So that's, and most of the US banks, they have some sense of automated systems for credit approvals and risk management and things like that. There, the biggest challenge now that they're tackling is fraud, where people are coming and kind of editing the documents and uploading their, so those kind of aspect is what we are kind of detecting using generative AI. And as an example, I was giving deepfakes, right? People are uploading KYC videos generated by deepfakes. So all of those things are happening, which we're kind of handling through a fraud detection model.